Books are mirrors. What you also understand from books is what already exists inside you. Welcome to the Weekend Reading Inspiration. The book I chose today is called The Marble Collector by Cecilia Ahern. It's again available on Kindle for a free download. Now, Cecilia Ahern is one of the very famous authors worldwide. Her best-selling book, P.S. I Love You, was also converted in a blockbuster movie featuring Gerard Butler, which did very well. But this book was published by her in 2015, and it's her 12th book. Now, what is so interesting about this book, and who all should really read and enjoy this book? If you are someone who feels that I wish I could have done this, or I wish I would have been this, you must pick this up and read it. This book is about this character, Mr. Boggs, Mr. Fergus Boggs, who lives this regular life on the surface of it, but has a history. This book really goes into his childhood, where he was extremely fond of marbles and playing marbles with his brothers and boys in the street. But then, of course, he gives it up all for living. He gets married, have kids, and now his daughter, actually, who has kids of herself, she is visiting her father in the hospital, and from the old stuff of her father, she discovers this very beautiful, colorful marbles, and she is extremely amazed by looking at it, because she never knew that her father could ever have any kind of interest in marbles, and she herself is interested in stones and gemstones and things like that, and she just figures out maybe, and she always wondered why I had this very inherent interest in these stones. And the book takes her back into the childhood story of her father and her father's entire life, and she actually discovers that her father has lived a dual life of being a marble collector, someone who's played marbles in places like a bar and things like that, and which she could never understand, fathom that why he really hidden all of this from closed ones, and as much as from her daughter as well, when they were very close. So I think it happens to all of us, especially the generation till now. I mean, now of course we have a lot of avenues, and we have the mindset of that freedom that you can pursue what you want to pursue. But as humans, I think a lot of time we do really don't understand that our closed one, what they are going through. So after I read this book, I actually have written a Facebook post which I read out, and those were my exact thoughts. I mean, I was, even after finishing the book, I was in this awe of this book for a few days, and I wrote these lines on the Facebook. As humans tagged in relationships, we just somewhere miss to be really human. We become the mother, the father, the brother, the sister, the wife, the husband, the lover, the boss, the employee, the colleague, and so on, and keep limiting the potential of the other person on the other end of the relationship to experience real happiness as a pure human being with all freedom and joy. A story reflecting this feeling and much more, a deep impacting read after a long time, The Marble Collector by Cecilia Ahern. So this was the post which I wrote, and I really felt that, because we do put so much of weight and baggage of the expectations in relationships, that the other person is kind of is not left with the space to explore himself or herself as a pure human being. We are always in this race of meeting expectations and setting up expectations. So this book was really eye opener for me, and whosoever I met who read the book, that how we should do what we want to do and free others to do what they want to do, and explore and make mistakes and then move on and learn, and that's what is life. So a wonderful read for me. I feel that a non-reader can also pick this up, but if you are a dreamer, if you are someone who also lives in some other world which other people don't know, and like I said, if you are someone who wish to be something, or in some other kind of space, You must read this book, and it's never too late. And pick your things, pick your dreams today and move on. Thank you for watching this video. Stay happy, stay safe.